Good day everyone. Before we start, I just want to introduce to you all what is the wave particles duality theory. This concept was initially proposed by Albert Einstein and later developed by scientists such as Louis de Broglie, Werner Heisenberg, and others, revolutionizing our understanding of quantum mechanics. According to this theory, particles can behave like waves, exhibiting interference and diffraction patterns, as well as like patterns with distinct position and momentum. So let's move forward to the other group member to explain more and demonstrate the wave particles duality theory.
So, diffraction is the bending of waves around obstacles and the spreading out of waves when they pass through a narrow opening. When light encounters an obstacle or pass through a narrow slit, it spread out that create interference patterns. To demonstrate this, take a cardboard or any paper and cut it into slits of different sizes like this. Shine a flashlight through each slit and to a flat surface. You'll notice that as the slit size decreases, the light spreads out more, creating a diffraction pattern on the surface, illustrating the principle of diffraction.
Two or more waves overlap resulting in the combination of their amplitude. If the waves are in phase, crest aligned with crest, then aligned with true. Okay? Using a rope, you can demonstrate it by creating weight. Have two people hold opposite rope. Like other one will hold over there, like for example this rope. The other one will hold over there in the opposite direction. The other people will go in that, like that. And they go in wave. If they synchronizate their motion, you will observe consecutive interference with high form amplitude waves.
Dispersion occurs when white light is separated into its component colors as it passes through a medium, typically a prism, due to varying wavelength of each color. To demonstrate a dispersion with sunlight and pen case, hold the pen case indirectly the sunlight, allowing the light to pass through it. If you look closely, you may notice a faint rainbow-like spectrum around the edge of the shadow cast by the pen. This occurs because the plastic of the pen case acts as prism, dispersing the sunlight into its constituent colors.
Using a candle and a glass of water, place the glass on a flat surface and fill it with water. Then, light the candle and observe it through the side of the glass. The flame appears to shift position because the light rays bend as they pass from the air into the water. Diffraction is the bending of light as it passes from one medium to another, caused by a change in its speed. When light enters a medium with a different optical density, like air to water, it changes direction.